So hello guys, welcome back to the another devlog. So this devlog will not get too much long because I'm showing you the ready-made things I have do. So I have do things like we have get the map some bigger, and after getting bigger we have added troll. Oh wow. If you don't know who is troll, it is my protagonist in the game of Trolls platform. If you can display this game, it is for Windows. Download it now. It's available on iTunes.io and my description. So what do I do? Let's see. First, I have a dialogue, a protagonist that troll that warning our protagonist that okay. So our protagonist that you want to be get the golden sword to fight with the main boss. So that's what troll says. Not the main boss, to the first boss that we have come. So when our player reaches here, ending, the new level will be start and edge of graveyard. So let's see how do I do this. So guys, I have did a mistake here. I give this here true instead of giving false. So let's correct this. So I have opened that script and just giving here false. Okay, false, and that's it. Let's reload over this, and it's reloaded. No, it's reloading. Okay. Oh, so it's reloading. Oh my god, it takes so much time for reload. Okay, it's reloading, and this I have told you that I have added a chest and a losing screen whenever player dies with the health 0. Yes, and let's see how do I do this. And yep, first die. So first let's see what the troll do. So like this. Okay, now we have defeated all 2 enemies, and let's go to a troll. Here's the troll. When we touch the troll, it shows some stories. Hello, I'm Troll. As you see me in my other game, Trolls platform. Now I had win by Gothic boss and the golden sword. With the golden sword, I like to give you that sword to win the battle, the first big boss. After defeating that monster, your sword will destroy, so collect that sword beside me. So here is no chest. When we click our finish button, trolls get off and trolls get disabled, and your chest. When we touch it, we get a golden sword. Yes. And when we touch enemy, it gives a 50 damage. Yes. So let's give this. I will give this example of this. So first we do that. Copy this. Copy. No, sorry. Okay. So let's copy. No. Okay. I think it's not been copied. So let's copy it again. Okay, now it's copied. Okay, finally it's copied. So let's head towards beside the troll here. So we can see how the golden sword works. So let's move this, and let's keep it here. This is for example. We should not keep this enemy here. Then let's go some sword, and here's our golden sword. See, it's on the enemy, but it is not set active. And we just set active this, and it got disabled like this. But it's an error that it is not coming in front of that. It's coming here. So let's do this. Error fix. Okay, let's get in front of it. Again in front of it. Oh my god, it's okay. What I'm doing? Oh, sorry. Okay, so I'm getting a golden sword here. and it's visible now. So let's see now, will it work or not? Okay, we have got a bot. So let's do this so here, and let's disable this. So just do this and let's see, will it work properly or not? Yup, it's working, I think. Oh, I get damage and I revived also. If you didn't see my previous devlog, how I get the food in my devlog like this, you are seeing the food here. So how do I bring this food? And my introduction devlog, these devlogs give you on the I button. So here is our throw. Okay, history, chest, golden sword. Let's see. Yep, and he's giving the half of the damage at once only. Oh my god, it's so crazy. So if you like this devlog, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll be in the next devlog with the next game content. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Till good, bye bye. See you in the next vlog.